The Infinix Smart 20 arrives as one of the latest entry-level smartphones in 2026, offering a balanced combination of modern design, large display, and essential features for everyday use. With Android 16, a smooth 120Hz display, and a massive battery, this device is clearly designed for users who want reliability without unnecessary complexity. In terms of design, the Infinix Smart 20 features a clean and modern look. It comes with a glass front paired with a plastic back and frame, which helps keep the device lightweight and practical. The phone measures 7.7 millimeters in thickness, making it relatively slim and comfortable to hold. It also supports dual nano SIM and includes IP64 certification, meaning it is resistant to dust and water splashes. Additionally, the device is designed to withstand drops from up to 1.5 meters, adding extra durability for daily use. One of the key highlights of the Infinix Smart 20 is its display. It features a large 6.78-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 by 1576 pixels. While the resolution is standard, the real advantage comes from its 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smoother scrolling and better responsiveness. The display can reach up to 700 nits of brightness in high brightness mode, making it usable even under bright lighting conditions. With a screen-to-body ratio of around 82.9%, it provides an immersive viewing experience for videos and social media. The Infinix Smart 20 runs on Android 16 with XOS 16, providing a modern and updated user interface. It is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultimate chipset, built on a 12-nanometer process. The processor features an octa-core CPU configuration, combining performance and efficiency cores, along with a Mali G52 MC2 GPU. This setup is suitable for daily tasks, such as browsing, messaging, and light gaming. The phone is available in configurations of 64 GB or 128 GB internal storage, paired with 4 GB of RAM. It also supports micro SD-XC expansion, giving users additional flexibility for storage. For photography, the Infinix Smart 20 is equipped with an 8-megapixel main camera featuring an f2.0 aperture and autofocus. It also includes features like dual LED flash and panorama mode. For video recording, both the main and selfie cameras support up to 1440p at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 fps, providing decent video quality for everyday content. On the front, there is also an 8-megapixel selfie camera, suitable for video calls and casual selfies. Battery life is one of the strong points of this device. The Infinix Smart 20 packs a large 5200 mAh battery designed to last throughout the day under normal usage. It supports 15-watt wired charging, along with 5-watt reverse wired charging, allowing the phone to be used as a power source for other devices when needed. In terms of connectivity, the device supports GSM, HSPA, and LTE networks. It comes with Wi-Fi dual band, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, infrared port, FM radio, and USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support. For security, it features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, along with additional sensors like accelerometer, proximity sensor, and compass. Overall, the Infinix Smart 20 offers a well-rounded package for users looking for a practical smartphone in 2026. With its large display, smooth refresh rate, reliable performance, and long-lasting battery, it delivers a solid experience for everyday use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.